Follow these 5 steps on how to integrate Google Analytics with Shopify. To begin, sign up for Google Analytics. So go to analytics.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click the Start Measuring button on this page. This is where you can set up your account and property. To proceed, create a new account and name it after your business or something easy to recognize. Review the account data sharing settings and select the options that apply to you. Click Next to create your first property. Enter a property name, set your location, time zone, and currency. Then click Next. Select your industry category and business size. Don't forget to click Next. Under Business Objectives, choose the goals that match your business needs. Click Create, then review and accept the Google Analytics Terms of Service. Finally, under Data Collection, select Website and enter your Shopify store URL. Click Create and Continue. Now you've created your Google Analytics property. For the next step, install the Google Analytics tag on your Shopify store. Start by installing the Google and YouTube app from the Shopify App Store if you haven't already. Then in your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then to Customer Events. Open Google Analytics and YouTube, then click Connect Google Account. Sign in and select your Gmail account. Once it's connected, from the app dashboard under Google Analytics, click Get Started. Scroll down to the Connect a Google Analytics property section where you can see the property you just created. Click Connect. That's it. Be sure to complete any remaining setup steps in the Google and YouTube app to ensure your tracking is fully configured.